So this is a video class of simple tissues which studies in the second year fourth sem. What is the tissues? How many types of the tissues are there? What are the qualities of the tissues? Out of this one, only simple tissues are. How many types? What are the function of simple tissues? What are the role of the simple tissues in growth and development of the plants? So this is also discussing this today. So what is the meaning of the plant tissues, which can have three types majorly? Meristematic tissues are at primary growth, primary developmental stages, or embryonic tissue. These embryonic tissues are present in the embryo and shoot tip and root tip nodes, internodes. So then after these tissues are it completely dividing to converted into the permanent tissue. The permanent tissue, which can further classified into three types. First one simple tissue, second one complex tissue, third one special tissue. The simple tissue, what is the meaning of the simple? Simple means the structurally, functionally, developmentally simple character, not only complex, not only more than one functions: photosynthetic, storage, transport, functioning occurs. Thus, that tissue is a plant tissue of simple. The simple, which can classify the what are the simple tissue, what is the first you studies the plant tissue, animal tissue. What is the difference? The plant tissues, the tissue organization is targeted towards the stationary habit of plants. Tissues are organization in targeted towards modality or mobility of animals. Mobile means it can be movement. The movement of the tissues, which can special structure. The plant tissues are second one. Organization is a simple. Formation is a simple, but organization is a complex in animals. In plant tissues, many of the tissues are dead. For example, cork. The dead tissues are example is a cork. But animal tissue, most of the tissues are living. Most of the tissues are living. So these living tissues are which can expected to the movement, respiration, functioning, all is which can take place. But plant tissue growth is conformed in certain areas. So which areas are present? Shoot tip, root tip, nodula, internodula, leaf, any part that is organization, that growth is confined to certain areas. Animal tissue growth is not limited to areas. In the plant tissues are less maintenance energy required. Animal tissues are mass maintenance energy required. In plant tissues, the plants are grow continuously through life. The animals are not reaching a maturity stage. Animals do not show further growth. The growth is not takes place in further stages. That is a animal tissue. The plant tissues are it can always growth takes place. That is also main differentiation of the plant tissue and animal tissue. The plant tissue group of cells having a common origin, similar of a related structure, which work together to performing a common function. A group of cells having a common origin. Common means a small, that origin similar or related structure which work together to performing a common function. Histology of study of tissues. Plants and animals have similar life process, but they do not have similar tissues because of the different in organization, mode of living and lifestyles. So organization, mode of the living and a different organization is a different in the plant tissues. But the plants So how many the plants are continue to grow throughout their life. Passes a meristematic tissues in specific region of the body for growth. The meristematic tissues are which are present in specific growth in the plant body, which can be growth takes place in the calm. So these are what are the plant tissues? How many type of the plant tissues are here? So this is plant tissues. The first one is apical, second intercalary and lateral. So then this is also meristematic tissues. The plant tissues are permanent tissues are three types: simple tissue, complex tissue, special tissue. The simple tissue is a parenchyma, sclerenchyma, collenchyma, three types. So now studies only three types of tissue, which is called a simple tissue. Simple permanent tissues. The permanent tissues are further classified as simple, complex, and special. Simple, complex, and special. So this is also major character features of the plants are there. Then what is the means of the permanent? So this is also permanent or meristematic tissues are protective secondary growth takes place. The secondary wall. So this is also sclerenchyma, collenchyma, and also in xylem and phloem is present. The meristematic tissues are called meristem, thin-walled, compactly arranged immature cells. So have the potential to divide and form from the cells. The meristem cells, the meristematic cells region were present functions as growth regions. The new cells produced by meristematic cells. The meristematic cells growth slowly differentiated and mature into the components of various permanent tissues. Various permanent tissues. So this is also the growth of the organisms. But here is the character features of the meristem. The meristem tissues are functioning meristem parent tissues. The parent tissues are from which other tissues are developed. Growth takes part in a growth of formation of new cells. The new organs. Plants continue to produce a new leaves, stem, branches, flowers, fruits, root, hairs, and root branches. So they are formed by the meristematic cells. Injury, place of injury is healed by the formation of the cells. So this is based on the position of apical meristems are in last class completed intercalary. Also meristems are over, but here nodes and internodes. This meristematic cells and permanent tissue. What is the differentiations? The meristematic tissues are continuously dividing cells. Continuously means so this is a does not stop here meristematic. The permanent tissues are do not divide continuously. Only sometimes or it is a stop of the growth. That is called a not dividing also continuous. So but meristem tissues are cells are small and isodiametric. The meristematic tissues are small size and isodiametric in cells. Then thick wall cells are thin wall cells. But permanent tissues are cell wall is the variable in shape and size. Not isodiametric, oval, isodiametric, triangular, rectangular, different in shape in permanent tissues. The meristematic tissues, the cell wall is a thin. The cell wall is a thin in meristematic tissues, but permanent tissues cell wall is a thick. The cell wall is a thick. So meristematic tissues are cell wall is a thin. The meristematic cell wall is a thin. So the permanent tissue cell wall is a thick. So then per meristematic tissues are nucleus are large. The permanent tissues are nucleus are small. The meristematic tissues are so which can having is a vacuolated or vacuoles are absent, but vacuoles are present in permanent tissues. But meristematic tissues are intercellular spaces absent, but permanent tissue intercellular spaces are present. Meristematic tissues are metabolic activities are at high rate, then permanent tissues are low rate. Then meristematic tissues are inorganic inclusion absent. The permanent tissues are present. The meristematic tissues are cells are undifferentiated. The permanent tissues are cells are differentiated. The meristematic tissues are simple tissue. Then permanent tissues are simple or complex. So this is also important. Differentiations are between the meristematic and permanent tissues are there. Then permanent tissue, but is parenchyma, sclerenchyma, collenchyma. This is also three types. First, you get the simple tissue. The simple tissue, there are three basic types named for the types of cells, mix of their composition. The compositions and structures are also different. The simple tissues are further classified to the three types. So then the simple tissue, parenchyma tissue, sclerenchyma tissue, collenchyma tissue. The three types are differentiated. So here is a broad body, the meristematic cells, but here permanent the simple tissues are. It is also parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma there. So this is a parenchyma, this is a collenchyma, this is sclerenchyma. That is also the chlorenchyma. So in the chlorenchyma, parenchyma both are called chlorenchyma. So this is also one important structure or types of the permanent tissues of plants. But here is the simple tissues which can be classified into the functioning are different. So but here permanent tissue, you go to the simple permanent or simple permanent, growth permanent simple tissues. What is a permanent tissues? Differentiations of meristematic tissues. The meristematic tissues are different, very vibhachakana charam kali undi. The meristematic tissues have lost the ability to divide and have a so accumulated a so shape, size and function. So so that is called differentiation. The differentiation tissues are present. The permanent tissues are formed due to the differences in their specialization. The permanent tissues అనేది differentiation. The growth లో differentiations ఉంటుంది. Permanent tissues are simple permanent, complex permanent, special permanent. First you go to the simple permanent. The characteristics of a permanent tissues: shape and size. Cells have definite shape and size which do not active altered afterwards. Then the specific function, so that is called a permanent cells come to have a specific functions. The permanent tissues లో the specific functions కలిగి ఉంటాయి. So this one have a specific functions means, so it is a structures, functioning and growth, development, storage, then transport of the mineral nutrients are special or specific. So this is also specific functions of the tissues. Wall thin or thick. The cell wall is a thin or thick. Thickening can be regular or irregular. Then the thickening mandam అనేది can regular or irregular. Division normally do not divide. Life may be living or dead. The life is also may be living or dead cells. So this is also simple type of the tissue. The meristematic cells and simple tissues are, it can be classified. What is the means of parenchyma? Your parenchyma cells. The parenchyma cells are which can be divided into the and intercellular spaces, then cellular thickenings, and also got a single pores, which is also three different types of there. So but here intercellular spaces are present, but all the polycystic tissues. Polycystic means leaf tissues. So what is the means of the parenchyma? The simple tissues. So parenchyma, what is the characters of parenchyma? The thin cell, thin walled made up of cellulose, thin walled made up of cellulose particles. So relatively unspecialized unspecialized isodiametric cells. Isodiametric means, so that is also the growth and development is also different in isodiametric. Living cells. Living cells means all cells are which can be active and it can be growth and development takes place in throughout life. But it can perform in the metabolities in all the lying in a between specialized tissues. The most abundant tissues are there. Most abundant tissues are there. So this found in a all non-woody parts like a stem, root, flowers, fruits. So non-woody plants like a stem, root, flower, leaf, also called fruits, seeds. This one all is called a simple permanent tissues. So this one the cells are a oval, spherical for a polygonal on in outlines. So all cells are in a oval shape, oval and also called spherical or polygonal in outlines. The central vacuoles are peripheral, cytoplasm and nucleus are present. The central vacuoles are present. Vacuoles. So these vacuoles are important for the vacuoles are peripheral, cytoplasm and nucleus are present. Loosely packed with small and large intercellular species. It is also loosely small and also called a intercellular species are present. That is called a simple permanent tissues. The simple permanent tissues are which is called a parenchymatous tissue. The parenchymatic cells, the developing plant cells of all types are parenchyma cells before specializing further in structure and functions. In structure and function is also different. The mature unspecialized parenchyma cells do not generally undergo cell divisions. Most retain the ability to divide the differentiated into other cell types under special conditions during the repair and replacement of organs different injury to the plant. In the laboratory, it is possible to regenerate an entire plant from a single parenchyma cells. So, developing plant cells of the all types are a parenchyma cells, but before specialization further in structure and functions. The parenchyma cells are which are specialized cells which performing a storage and also growth and development takes place, also transport of there. So this is also parenchyma tissues. The parenchyma tissues are forms the majority of the stems and roots as well as soft fruit like tomatoes and grapes. It is the most common type of the ground tissues. All the fruits, mainly so tomatoes and grapes, the total tissues are made by parenchyma. The cells are totally round or isodiametric cells, or spherical cells, also triangular cells. So, which is also the total cells are which one majority of the stems roots are located. The structure, the thin walled cells. Then parenchyma cells are thin walled, functioning so thin walled allow of close packing and rapid diffusions so between cells. Then intercellular spaces are present so between cells. The intercellular spaces are present. The intercellular spaces allow diffusion of a gray gases to occur. So parenchyma cells having a large central vacuole. Parenchyma cells are only small, large, big size of vacuoles are present in that is located in the center part of. So the allows the cells to store and regulates thin waste products and water. Also, functioning is a providing support. The functioning is it takes place in providing. So this one specialized parenchyma cells known as parenchyma. So found to the plant leaves contains a chloroplast. The specialized parenchyma cells are known so as a chlorenchyma. The chlorenchyma is a which are performing the photosynthesis function. It is present in the so isodiametric cells of the leaf that is called a polycyte tissues. The polycyte tissues are present in the specialized cells is called a parenchymatous cells. It is performing the photosynthesis. So this allows them to the performing a photosynthesis functions and responsible for a storage of the storage and also called a preparation of the food materials both that is called a parenchyma tissues. So then some parenchyma cells are retain the ability to divide allow the so replacement of the damaged cells. So when the damaged part that cells are formed to the redividing to formation of the filling of the total damaged cells that performing functioning is called a parenchyma tissues. So these parenchyma tissues are it is important for growth and development of the plants. So this is also parenchyma. The types of the parenchyma. The parenchyma is a characteristic features is a thin-walled regular shapes. So and a functioning so fills a space between other tissues. So then location the young stems and the roots are there. The young stems and roots are there. So but here chlorenchyma, the chlorenchyma, parenchyma also divides into the chlorenchyma, storenchyma, water storage and also erenchyma. The four type of the different functioning are different parts of parenchyma. The parenchyma is also first type is chlorenchyma. Chlorine means it contains the chloroplast. Contains a numerous chloroplast. It can functioning is called photosynthesis. So location means the leaves green stem and a green fruits. That is called chlorenchyma. So next one is the storage chyma. Storage parenchyma. Storage means the food materials are storage in the form of a tissues that is called storenchyma. The storenchyma is a characteristic features of a starch, fats and proteins. Starch, fats, proteins are storage in the storenchyma. The stores nutrients. So bulbs, storage roots, fruits and seeds. So these are all is also. So water storage parenchyma. Few type of the cells is the water storage. The water storage so contains a large vacuoles filled with water. The large vacuoles, so the vacuoles are big size and filled with a water. Then functioning storage waters. But here location, so leaves are as stems of a plants and growing in dry areas. So growing in dry areas. So this is also watering plants. But here also got Erenicema. The Erenicema contains a large intercellular spaces filled with air. Intercellular spaces are present in the filled with air is present. The air is which can help to the buoyancy. Buoyancy means float on the upper surface of the water that is present in the water plants or hydrophytic plants. Example Nymphia, Neolumbia. So also called a Vallisneria. The leaves are storage in air that is called Erenicema present. The stores of oxygen and carbon dioxide enables leaves it float on water and surface. So it is also enables of a water and also gases are storage. The leaves and stems of a aquatic plants. Leaves, stem and aquatic plants are there. So this type of the location of a parenchyma tissues are present in the plants or various parts like a leaf, root, stem, fruit, seeds, all or every part in the total part of interior part of 89-85 percentage of the interior part is made up of the parenchyma. The parenchyma tissues are classified into the four types. So then the parenchyma is chlorenchyma, storenchyma, erenchyma. The three types are based on the functions. This is also types of the parenchyma. So then the parenchyma functioning to store material such as starch and proteins. Starch, proteins are stored. Starch, proteins, hormones, etc., which are storage, and waste products such as gum, tannin, resins, etc. Gum, resins, tannins are also storage in the functioning. So parenchyma cells perform the metabolic activities of the plants. The parenchyma cells are always performing the metabolic means jivakriya activities in the plants. It forms the packaging tissues between the specialized tissues by providing a so turgidity. So they provide a mechanical strength. Turgidity means so it can be float on the water. Also they are a mechanical strength. Chlorenchyma helps in performing a photosynthesis. The chlorenchyma is it is important tissues which can perform in the photosynthesis. That is also functioning of photosynthesis or functioning of a parenchyma. Then the simple permanent tissues are functioning which is a support to gases exchanges water products. This is our main function. Support means the turgidity provide rigidity. Gases exchanges means intracellular spaces present allow movement of the gases and gas exchanges. Water products means certain cells store water waste products like a tanning, resins, gums, crystals. So this is also important of waste products are there. So this one simple permanent issues are functioning continuation is also that is thus. So it is also second type is called chorenicema. The first one parenchyma tissues are three types: chlorenichyma, storenichyma, erenichyma. But second one is a cholenichyma. The cholenichyma tissues are it is a composed of the unevenly thickening primary walls with additional cellulose and pectin deposits. The pectin substance are deposited in the corners of the cells that is called a cholenichyma, especially in the corners. The cell's corners, it is a storage in a pectin substance. The pectin substance are which helps to the additional support to the plant. Does not damage too easily. It can help to the living in more period. Then the deposited especially in the corners. So found just beneath the epidermis of the young stems. Just beneath the young stems or epidermis, the cells are slightly elongated, tightly packed, and overlap each other. The cells are totally tightly packaged with tightly packed and overlap each other. Overlapping. Overlapping means one near to other. The attachment space functions mechanical strengthening and support to the so plant organs. So this is also so this is also colon-chamber tissues are there. So these colon-chamber tissues are it can important for the mechanical strength and support of the plant tissues. But here colon-chamber, the cells are elongated and are circular, oval or a polygonal in cross section. Polygonal cell wall is so unevenly thickened with cellulose at the corners. So against the intercellular species are present. The intercellular species are present. The nucleus is a present and hence the tissues is a living. The nucleus is also present which can be performing the so hence it is tissues are living. And the colonocamera tissues are living. Parenchyma is also living when which are present in the nucleus are there. So vacuoles are small size. Vacuoles. The vacuole size is also small. The intercellular spaces are generally absent. So without intercellular spaces, all cells are it is between to each other. So if they contain chlorophyll, so they are known as a chlorenichyma. If there are chlorenichyma is present, that is also chlorenichyma tissues. So but here simple permanent tissues are chlorenichyma functioning. The simple permanent living mechanical tissue provide flexibility. What is the function of chlorenichyma? So it is also green color. Some types of the chlorenichyma also functioning the photosynthesis. That is called chlorine chlorenichyma. It provides a flexibility and a strength elongated or a flexibility of cells so that behind the without breakage of leaves and young stems cell wall is thickened universally at the corners, thickened made up of the pectin and cellulose. Thickened means it can attach to the each other when these two cells. The intercellular spaces are little, only small cells of intercellular space are present. The cells are elongated but appear oval. The cells are tubular, elongated, appear in oval-like structure. Circular or angular in TSF section. Circular in angular T or transverse sections. It occurs below the epidermis in leaf stalks. So leaf midribs and herbaceous dicot stems are present. It occurs below the epidermis in leaf stalks. The leaf midribs. Midribs means so middle part of the leaf and also called epidermis of the leaf. Then absent in monocots. Only dichord tissues are present in the colonychema. It performing a special function takes place that is called a flexibility and also called a mechanical strength. Then in sometimes of the colonychema performing a photosynthesis also cell wall is thickened. It is without intercellular spaces and elongated but appear oval in shape, circular in angular in structures. That is called a simple colonychema tissues are there. The simple colonychema functioning of colonychema strength provides a mechanical strength and a flexibility because of colonychema plant organs can bend without breaking. Without breaking, the strength is also provide a mechanical strength and a flexibility. So because of colonychema plant organs can bend. Bend means it is also called a moves from one side to other sides without breakage. Without breakage means then moves when wind blowing, water falling, the stem is does not say damages. It is also flexibility there. Flexibility. The growth allows growth and elongation of organs. That the simple colonychemy also allows the growth and elongation. Storage being is a living tissues. It stores food. So then the storage it can be performing the storage of tissues. The photosynthesis, the cells may contain a chloroplast and take part in photosynthesis. The chloroplast is a present which can perform a photosynthesis. So this is also simple permanent tissues are there. But types of the sclerenchyma. Colonychema of the sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma is also last type of the permanent tissues or simple tissues, which the sclerenchyma is further divides into the two types, fibers and sclerites. Fibers means surface fibers are surface fibers, narrow surface fibers, xylem fibers are wood fibers, so extracellular fibers are bast fibers. Sclerites, so macrosclerites, osteosclerites, osteosclerites, brachysclerites, trachosclerites, filiform sclerites. So these are all is also called sclerites are there. The sclerites and fibers both are called sclerenchyma tissues. The sclerenchyma, what is the functioning of sclerenchyma? Cell walls have been thickened by so implications with lignin. The lignin substance are completely surrounding the cell wall. So this is also important. The cell wall is eventually thickened and form a waterproof barrier. Waterproof barrier. Water means water is also you can resistant. So then the water is does not allow to inside of the plant tissues, but it cannot performing transfer to the outside of the tissues, outside of the plant or cell plant that can help of tissue is called sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma performs a waterproof barrier. So impermeable to water, not permeable. Permeable means allow to water to outside to inside, inside to outside of the tissues of plants. But here, so that is called impermeable. In the cell walls are which is also called cornels. The serves as channels between cells and to the outside of the world. The lumen is a small. Two types of the sclerenchyma present: stone cells and fibers. The stone cells and fibers are so this functioning, strengthening, support and protection found in shells and outside are found in shells of nuts and hard parts of the foods. Fibers give rigidity and flexibility to the plant. Rigidity and flexibility to the plant, that is called sclerenchyma. The sclerenchyma is a which is important of growth and development of or protection, which is a majorly from strengthen and also support of the plant, rigidity of the plants, which is called sclerenchyma tissues. The sclerenchyma is a major important for the growth and development of the plant tissues, also called protection of the tissues. The sclerenchyma tissue continues. The sclerenchyma functions. It provides a mechanical strength and structural support. Structure means the cells are packaged to the. It is also support to the lignin provides a so So wire-like strength to prevent from fearing to the easily provides the so hardness of fruits like pears provides a hard means gatiya hard like pears. These structures are used to protect other cells. That is called screening gamma tissues. The screening gamma tissues are long, narrow, so dead and highly thickened walls with a little lumen. And so little lumen means open places are small. The lignin functioning to so cement and hardness the cells. The walls continue so concentrations so unthickened areas pits. The screnichema occurs in a stem of monocot plants around a vascular bundles. Xylem and phloems are present. But hard covering of nuts, husk of common as a coconut. So grit of a apple, pear and a guava. So this is also major part of hard and a covering of the nuts also to are present. So but it is a simple parenchyma or permanent tissues are functioning screen. It is a mechanical strength to the support of the tissues. The mechanical providing strength to the plants. Suppose it is a flexibility and a commercial fibers. So screnichima is a fibers of some plants are a commercially enables or flex amplitude of coconut. So this is also the two type of the present of the cells. So this is a transfer section of the screnichima and a language section. But here is also pizza present. So this pizza it is a corners which are lignin suberin substance are there. That is called narrow and also lumen pole. Lumens are present. Lumen means open place. So this is called screnichima. Where is a screnichima are present? The screnichima further classified the sclerites and fibers. The sclerites are so it is brachysclerites, microsclerites, osteosclerites, osteosclerites, trichosclerites are there. So, but here fibers are xylem fibers, extraxillary fibers. So, xylary fibers are fiber tracheids. So, libriform fibers, gelatinous fibers. So, the extraxillary fibers is a phloem fibers. So, cortical fibers. So, also called a perivascular fibers. So, this is also important of classification of the screnichema. The screnichema is a must the only it can mechanical strength and rigidity, also flexibility, which can help to the plants survival and does not affect the physical or environmental conditions factors that is called wind, water, sunlight. So does not affect to the walls of the or total part of the plants, the stem, aerial parts of the leaf, and also protective substances or protective tissues is called screnichema. The screnichema is a it can be so that is also the simple how many total the parenchyma, collenchyma, screnichema. The three type of the tissues are studied. But parenchyma so isodiameter cells so can have varied shapes. So the walls are made up of cellulose. So that is a ether closely packaged of the have interstellar space are present performing photosynthesis storage of secretions. That is called a parenchyma. Then collenchyma it occurs in the layer below the epidermis. So performing a photosynthesis when so chloroplasts are present then so homogeneous are in a patches are there. So that is also so comes are thickened corner thickness with cellulose. So hemicellulose are a pectin. So no interstellar spaces. It can provide a mechanical support. So this is also important of the collenchyma tissues are there. So then after screnichima, the screnichima is a long narrow cells. So walls longitudinally with pits and usually so dead without protoplast. The protoplast is absent in screnichima. The cells are dead. It is also fibers and sclerites. The fibers are thickened, thick-walled, elongated cells. It occurs in groups. The screnichemas are spherical, also called oval, thickened cells. So this is also important of the fibers and sclerites of a sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma, cholerenchyma, parenchyma. The three type of the cells tissues is grouped into the simple permanent tissues. It is made of one. It is made of only one type of cells. That is a simple. Only two type of the cell is a complex. So this is also important of the topic for discussing the simple tissues. Simple means only that tissues are made by one kind of cells, not only two kinds of cells. This is also simple tissues are there, but here complete.